was apprehended in Naivasha in my constituency. And was escorted by a convoy of 30 officers, approximately, because she briefed us. Two Land Cruisers, Your Honor, and the famous Subarus. Only to be presented before you this morning, be charged with a misdemeanor. I believe it's on Saturday? Yesterday, Your Honor, lunch hour. When I spoke to her, she was at DCI headquarters last night. As senior counsel, I thought, from what she told me, we did not have to use public resources to come in this morning for a misdemeanor. So I tried to talk to the deputy DCI, who told me I was going to look into that matter. And if they had properly applied their minds, she should not be before you, Your Honor. That's our submission. Finally, Your Honor, I want to refer you to the provisions of Article 2 of our Constitution, which of course declares that this Constitution is the supreme law of the Republic and binds all persons and all state organs at both levels of government. Sub-Article 4, Your Honor, of section of Article 2, any law, including customary law, that is inconsistent with this Constitution is void to the extent of the inconsistency. And any act or omission in contravention of this Constitution is invalid. Your Honor, my submission is that alleged breach of Article Section 94(1) of the Penal Code is unconstitutional. Because in violation of the very Constitution itself, and Your Honor, as Kenyans we should be very proud that we imported under Article 20, 19 and 20 of the Constitution, the Bill of Rights. Therefore it behooves all of us, Your Honor, our courts of justice taking leadership to ensure strict adherence with Constitution 2010 and its valuable provisions, which actually is a constitution that gives freedom of expression. We've been addressed on that. Therefore, our plea, in conclusion, Your Honor, is that this harassment through you should stop. I found you recently, I did not know whether it was before you, when we had the privilege to appear together with Chief Justice Emeritus in the case of Rose Njeri.
No, it was a different one.
You look like...
He's not my brother.
Yeah, you look like... Your Honor, Rose Njeri is a very good case to refer to at this time. When the magistrate, your brother magistrate, simply let her off. When he retired to consider submission, Rose Njeri is a free citizen. She did not have to plead to a ridiculous charge. We ask Your Honor that Honorable Jane Kihara, whom I know as a mother and a senior leader, she had serving her third term in Parliament, should not be before you for a misdemeanor. So we urge that when you retire to consider application, that you will let her off. In any event, you had the maximum sentence for such an offense is a fine of 5,000 shillings. A real misdemeanor. So we urge that you order immediate release of Honorable Jane Kihara, and we ask our colleagues in the political space to just adhere to the Constitution. That's all we are saying. I thank you all.
All right, thank you, Counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Once again, it must be afternoon already. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Your Honor, we oppose the application for deferment and or rejection of this case.